Plunky.
Thanks for noticing, Trina. I thought I could use an extra hand around the Action Academy. But why not 5 hands?
Whoa, amazing! With extra arms, I bet Plunky will be extra good at fetch.
In all these years, I hadn't even considered programming her with the fetch feature.
You silly goose. Fetch isn't something you program a dog to do. You train them. I bet you I could train Plunky to fetch.
Well, sure. This will be a great learning opportunity for you.
Woohoo!
Plunky is programmed to follow her owner's commands. I'll simply plug you in as a temporary owner.
Thanks, Mr. Ernesto. Come on, Plunky. It's almost recess. Perfect time for a lesson.
If you're gonna stay outside, you need to make sure that Plunky wears her special leash at all times.
I, Pinky Piglet, promise that you can count on me. Got it! Yeah! Hi, Plunky! It's super duper hard to play fetch with this leash on you.
What? Move it! Worst pet ever. Why would mother and father construct such a boring so-called pet toy? I, Teddy Von Taker, demand the very best toys. And you, my friend, are not a toy. You're useless. Useless.
You're really getting the hang of fetch. You're the bestest pet ever!
Ooh, what a magnificent piece of machinery. It must be mine. Jealous?
You're so good. We don't need this leash. Fetch will be super funsies now. Here you go. Ready? Fetch!
I must concoct a scheme most diabolical to take that mutt. But how? This is gonna take strategy, wit, and... Huh? Well, that was easy. Consider yourself taken, Teddy Von Taker style.
Okay, Plunky. No more kidding around. Come back.
Aha! I knew that randomly smashing buttons would reprogram you.
Plunky, I'm sloppy serious. Where are you? Phew. You're supposed to come back with the ball, you goof. Oh, hiya, Teddy. Could you give me Plunky so I don't get in really super giant big trouble?
Plunky? That's what she's called? Well, now I'm gonna call her... Mine.
Mine? That's a strange name.
Oh, no. I meant she's mine. I'm her owner now.
Now, wait a mousy minute.
You can have this boring old fish.
Whoa!
Hop on, RoboDoc. We have things to do.
What? Oh no! What do I do? Action Pack! Huh? I need your help! Where's Plunky? I'm in tiger-sized trouble, team. I took off Plunky's leash, and now Teddy Von Taker has her. Oh my! This is bad. We have to tell Mr. Ernesto. But Pinky Piglet promised that he could count on me. If we tell him, he'll never count on me again.
Yeah, Mr. Ernesto would be super sad if he knew. Maybe we should just get Plunky back without telling him.
But you know the rule. If you mess up, you gotta fess up. And we can fix it together. I know. And that's why I'm fessing up to you. So we can fix it before Mr. Ernesto finds out.
I don't like keeping secrets from Mr. Ernesto, but I don't want to tell him something that would make him sad either.
In that case, circle up, hoodies up, and take action! Trina! Mighty Flowers and Plant Powers! Clay! Plasma Power and Invincible! Wren! Changing up with Animal Powers! Roar! Supercharged electric snaps! Here's the plan. We go and tell Mr. Ernesto everything. Trina, please! Okay.
Yay!
First, we go to Teddy's hideout. We ask Teddy to give Plunky back. Then, we return Plunky to the Action Academy before recess is over. Great plan. Let's pounce!
Hi, Wren. I was just checking to see how Fetch was going.
No time to talk now. We're busy.
Let's get out of here.
Well, that was strange.
On my command. Take that. Take that and take that. Good show, dog companion.
Plunky, come here, girl.
No. Come here, robot dog. She only listens to me now. Plunky, sit.
Oh, neat trick.
Don't compliment the villain. Let's get that pooch back, Action Pack.
I think not. This old dog has learned some new tricks.
I really think we should call Mr. Ernesto.
We can't. He'll never, ever count on me again. Okay, then. Leave it to me. Action on spy time!
Take that one thing.
My Awesomer Blossomer!
Put her down, Plunky.
I'm afraid she's not programmed to do that. She only takes for me. No take-backs. Now take the Action Pack.
Watch out!
She's too strong. Don't worry, Clay. I'll light Plunky up with my electro powers. No lots. We can't hurt Plunky. Oh, zap.
Oh no!
Now, my loyal pet, only one to go.
Why are you doing this, Teddy?
I'm just living up to the family name. We're takers. Take me, for example. Take me, for example.
Take me! Take me! Take me!
Wait, that's not a command. I demand you put me down. Oh, right.
No take-backs.
Plunky, you have to listen to me. Whoa! Action on G-Chase! Alligator tail! Tiny mouse! Woo! Woo! I need help, Birdie Bud. Will you distract that puppers? I'll make this right! I promise! Butterfly wings!
Hey, Wren. How's Plunky's training?
I messed up, and I really gotta fess up. I let Plunky off her leash even though you told me not to. Then Teddy grabbed her and Plinkety-plocked her buttons, and now Plunky thinks that he's her owner. And now she's captured all of the Action Pack!
It's okay, Wren. We can fix this together. In the handle of Plunky's leash is her reset bone. That will reboot her and she'll forget Teddy's programming.
Super smart, Mr. Ernesto!
The trick will be getting her to eat it.
Oh, I have an idea!
I hope Wren gets back soon.
Me too. Yeah! Hiya, pals!
Wren's back, everyone. I bet she has a super plan.
Okay, Plunky, I'm all yours! I knew they cued... Wait, what? No!
Wren, what are you doing?
It's up to you now, Teddy.
Me? How? I'm dangling from a doggy if you haven't noticed.
Plunky only listens to you, right? Tell her to take this bone.
I don't see how that will help, but my genius brain is out of ideas. All right, dog. You heard her. Take the bone.
Your mouth, Plunky. Plunky. You can take it with your mouth. Uh-oh.
You're invincible! Right! So cool.
She ate the reset bone. Now she should be back to her old plunkety self. Oh, Plunky. Mr. Ernesto.
Hi, Wren. Hi, Plunky. It's me, Mr. Ernesto, your best friend. Oh, Plunky. That's a good girl.
Mr. Ernesto, I know I messed up, and you'll never count on me again.
You did the brave thing when you told me. That's why I know I can count on you.
So, Teddy, did you learn not to take stuff after Plunky took you?
No. Von takers take stuff. I've been very clear about that. Aha! My loyal pet and I are about to take a jog. Bye!
Mission accomplished!
Great work, Action Pack.